Hey guys, we're back again. This time we're going to be using GeoGebra to construct the circumcenter of a triangle. And then once we've done that, we're actually going to circumscribe a circle around the triangle. A little bit of a tongue twister, but I think I got through it okay. All right, first thing first, if you're not seeing all the tools I'm talking about, scroll down in the Geometry Tools section and click on More. All right, so to do the circumcenter of a triangle, first things we need a triangle. And notice how you always have to come back to the original start point to close off that polygon. Now, the circumcenter is the point of concurrency of the three perpendicular bisectors of the three sides of the triangle. So basically, I want to find a perpendicular line that cuts each of these sides in half. And to do that, I could just use the perpendicular bisector tool and click on the sides of the triangle. It's that easy. So you can see the three lines, and then they all coincide on one point. That's the point of concurrency, and it's called the circumcenter. So I'm going to put a point there by clicking on just two of these oops, let's take that away. I want to click on the two perpendicular bisectors. There it is. So you can see here that point D was put on right here. I'm going to make it a different color so you can really notice it. There it is. Let me get a little bigger too. All right, so this is called the circumcenter of this triangle. And keep in mind that each of these black lines is a perpendicular bisector, which means it should be perpendicular to the side as well as dividing the side in half. So let's just make sure everything is going to plan. I'm going to find the point of intersection between this perpendicular bisector and this side. And then I'm actually going to draw in the two segments because I can't measure the whole. If I click on there and try to measure, it's going to measure the whole side. So I'm using the segment tool to make segment AE and then segment EB. So now I'm going to go up to the measure menu and choose distance or length and click on each of those line segments. And you can see both times that I clicked on it, it came up with the same exact number. Now I want to see if this is actually a right angle. So now I'm going to measure the angle. And I'm going to click on one of those segments, or actually the side of the triangle, and the perpendicular bisector. And what you can see here, oops, I didn't mean to do that. What you can see here is a 90-degree angle. Keep in mind, if this is a 90-degree angle, all four of these are 90-degree angles. Sometimes on GeoGebra, instead of putting that angle symbol, that right angle symbol where you want it, it kind of goes on the other side of the line. As long as it's there, it's cool. We know what's going on. Okay, so I'm actually going to remove the label on it. Okay, and I'm going to remove this too before we go any further. Oh my goodness. All right, let's see. And then this one we're going to get rid of too. Okay, so I promised you that we're also going to create a circumscribed circle, meaning a circle that goes around this triangle and it touches all of the three vertices. So the center of the circle is going to be this point D, and I'm going to choose, it looks like I lost my mouse again. I'm having some problems here today. Circle with a center and choose point D and open that up to point C, A, or B. And as you can see, I'm actually going to make this a different color. Let's also make that red and make it a little thicker. As you can see here, now I have a circle that goes around the triangle I created, and it touches points A, B, and C. So that is how you do a circumcenter and a circumscribed circle about the triangle. If you have any questions, contact your teacher or look at the video again or look at your lessons. We're here to help you. You could even come and talk to a teacher in tutoring. We want to make sure you could do these right. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a good day.